Botox is often hailed as the go-to solution for wrinkles, almost like a magic wand in the world of cosmetic treatments. When in the hands of a skilled cosmetic doctor, its success in rejuvenating your skin appearance is almost guaranteed. But what happens when Botox doesn't seem to do the trick? If you faced this and found yourself searching the internet for answers, you might have stumbled upon the term Botox resistance. Questions like, am I immune to Botox, and is there a solution, are probably swirling in your mind. The good news? Immunity to Botox is rare, and yes, there are effective strategies to tackle this issue, and I may be able to assist you. Considering the complexity and the buzz around this topic, I believe it's essential to demystify it with expert insights. Let's delve into why Botox might not be working as expected and explore the solutions I can offer to enhance your experience. Imagine Botox resistance as a rare scenario where a patient either develops antibodies against botulinum toxin or metabolizes the Botox drug unusually fast. In such cases, the effectiveness of Botox injections diminishes, leading to disappointing outcomes, fleeting effects, or sometimes no noticeable change at all. However, true Botox resistance is quite uncommon. Clinical trials by the manufacturer revealed that a mere 1.5% of patients developed any neutralizing antibodies to Botox. Some experts even suggest that the incidence of genuine Botox resistance might be as low as 1 in 10,000 patients. Essence Medical Cosmetic Clinic is one of Scotland's most reputable and respected Botox clinics, and as such, we often see patients who haven't had the best results elsewhere. From our extensive experience, we have found that most instances where Botox seems less effective don't actually stem from real Botox resistance. Instead, they are usually due to one of these factors. 1. Insufficient waiting time for Botox's full effect. Botox is known for its prompt action, yet it is not instantaneous. Many patients start seeing a reduction in wrinkles within 48 hours, but achieving the complete effect can take up to 10 days. In our experience, the onset of results may sometimes even begin after a week. Patience is key here. If it has been over 2 weeks and the anticipated results are still elusive, it is time to talk to your provider. 2. You are transitioning to a new provider. Opting for a conservative approach with Botox is much safer than overtreating. After all, there is no antidote for excessive Botox. One can only wait it out. Therefore, reputable and experienced injectors often err on the side of caution with new patients. If you have recently switched to a new provider with a solid reputation, they might be taking this cautious route to precisely tailor the right dosage for you. If results aren't noticeable after a few weeks, a simple solution could be a minor adjustment or touch-up. 3. Adjusting to aging. Time to revise your injectable treatment plan. For those who have made Botox a regular part of their beauty regimen, it is easy to overlook that aging still progresses, albeit behind the scenes. If you find that your usual Botox dosage isn't delivering the results it used to, it might be a sign that your skin has undergone natural changes. This could include a loss of collagen and elastin or a reduction in facial fat volume. Such changes can transform lines that were initially only noticeable during facial expressions into more pronounced wrinkles. In these instances, simply increasing the dosage of Botox might not be the most effective approach. A more holistic treatment plan, combining Botox with injectable fillers to restore skin volume, can be a more fitting strategy. This approach helps in preserving a youthful appearance while maintaining the natural dynamics of your facial expressions. 4. Injector errors, dosage and injection site mistakes. Mastery over facial anatomy and a keen ability to understand a patient's aspirations, coupled with the skill to inject the right Botox dosage according to skin quality and precise tissue depth, are critical for anyone administering cosmetic injections. This is precisely why I take it upon myself to personally perform injections for all my Botox patients. Less experienced practitioners may inadvertently err in dosage or inject at an incorrect location on the facial muscle. Such errors can lead to subpar results or even complications. To reduce the risk, it is advisable to choose a clinician with a solid track record of successful Botox treatments, ideally a doctor well-versed in cosmetic medicine. While the lure of a more affordable Botox treatment by a non-medically trained injector might be tempting, it is important to remember that doctors typically have a deeper understanding of three-dimensional facial anatomy and skin depth. This expertise often stems from their comprehensive training, which includes studying human anatomy through cadaver dissection during medical school. Opting for a medically trained professional ensures a higher level of precision and safety in your Botox treatment. 5. Finding the right fit, exploring alternative brands of botulinum. Individual brand differences play a significant role in the effectiveness of your Botox treatments, similar to how some individuals find paracetamol more effective for headaches while others prefer ibuprofen. The same principle applies to botulinum toxin brands. There are patients who may respond better to a brand other than Botox, despite the similarities between the products. At Essence Medical Cosmetic Clinic in Glasgow, we understand this variability. That's why we stock a variety of commercial botulinum toxin brands. I will assist you in determining whether an alternative brand might yield better results for you than Botox. It is all about finding the perfect match for your unique needs, ensuring that you receive the most effective treatment tailored specifically to you. You may have been given an overdiluted or counterfeit Botox. Regrettably, the cosmetic industry is not immune to unethical practices. Some injectors offer discounted Botox treatments, which may either be excessively diluted to increase profits or, worse, not genuine Botox at all. This issue is more prevalent in beauty salons and non-medical or semi-medical establishments, as only licensed clinicians are authorized to procure authentic Botox. To safeguard yourself from the potential hazards of counterfeit or poorly administered Botox, it is crucial to trust only skilled and qualified medical professionals at established medical clinics. Remember, if the price seems unbelievably low, it is likely too good to be true. In the United Kingdom, Botox is classified as a prescription medication, making a face-to-face consultation with a licensed prescriber mandatory before undergoing the procedure. If your treatment is carried out by a non-medical practitioner without a prior consultation with a licensed prescriber, there is a high probability that the product used is either counterfeit or hasn't been subjected to rigorous and approved manufacturing standards. Always ensure the legitimacy and safety of your Botox treatment by choosing the right medical professionals and settings. Having said the above, what should you do if your Botox doesn't deliver desired results? Your first move should be to reconnect with your treatment provider. A credible injector will always be concerned if you are not completely happy with the outcome of your treatment and will strive to ensure your satisfaction. However, if you have reservations about returning to the same practitioner for any reason, don't hesitate to seek a second opinion or consider switching to a well-respected doctor. It is a good idea to obtain a copy of your case notes from your previous provider and bring them to your new one. These notes are invaluable as they document your past treatments, including details like the date of your last Botox session, the injection sites, and the dosages used. This information is crucial for your new provider to create a treatment plan that is both safe and effective. If you are in search of an experienced and trustworthy Botox provider in Glasgow, I invite you to book a consultation with at Essence Medical Cosmetic Clinic. During your visit, we will take the time to thoroughly discuss your objectives and concerns and answer any queries you might have to tailor a treatment that best suits your individual needs.